morning. How'd that stuff set up?
Good. Basically concrete.
Fuck yeah, dude. Looking good, bros.
Not too shabby.
The carpet and the seats all put back in. We're gonna run over to O'Reilly's. I don't want to wait 3 days for Amazon Prime to get some 3M spray adhesive. We're gonna take the pieces that were on the roof. We're gonna take them. They're right here. They were glued on the roof, so we peeled them off, and we're gonna go ahead and spray adhesive them on the back of the headliner, and then put it in for extra soundproofing. See, we sprayed up there. So it should be pretty quiet. It should make a nice quality ride quality, no sound, loud noises coming from the outside.
Other side. Today, Scott?
Well, we're gonna run down to O'Reilly's and grab a can of 3M 90 spray adhesive so we can get those foam pieces we peeled off the roof.
Very nice.
So we can spray them on, or spray the adhesive on the headliner, glue them on the headliner, and then put the headliner back in.
Make it all super quiet.
We're gonna bring you bros with us. Man, bros, O'Reilly's is so much better than it used to be. Even these guys are saying it. They love it here so much better. Good parts, good stuff. Actually have oil in stock. Pretty awesome. Huh, Brandon?
Much better.
Do you concur?
What?
Do you concur?
Yes.
I do concur, Doc.
Racing.
So okay, headed back to the garage so we can get this headliner thrown back in. Brandon wants to be in the shot a little bit, eh? There you go. Hey Brandon,
sometimes.
he's a part of the group, you know, come on. Alright, we'll catch you guys back at the garage in a minute.
Alright, so the basic measure of the madness. Measured out how far away all little seams are to support the span. And mark those and throw in the insulation in between, then we'll adhesive that onto the headliner and throw it back up there and shoot it away.
That was a bitch. Now we got to move on to the front dome light and the visors. It'll hold it in a lot better, makes this easier to put in the side panel. Hey bros, we're gonna get this the dome light and the front visors in here. You got it. The headliner can move, dude. I wouldn't loosen those. I guess what the fuck did I do? This is lined up just fine. This regular should be. Okay. These. Now I can't remember what screws went in those.
I think one of them had it in it.
This is the dome I was fighting with and stuck on because the switch was broken. I do not know what kind go in these things. take this thumb here and plant it down there first. We're doing good for metal clips too. Go on here, put this one down.
Right on top. Thank God we organized all this. It's taking an hour otherwise.
Okay, we can't put these in because the headliner's hanging down too far in the back. We're gonna have to put that back panel on. Oh, there we go, got it in. Boom, that panel's done. Alright, on other things.
Frieza?
Nam Frieza. That's the saga that's like, yes! Got everybody into it hardcore.
That's cool.
Okay, bros, we're gonna get this passenger side rear quarter panel popped in. For I think what? This the third time? If anybody's counting?
Oh, let's count. Yes. Third clips in there. I need to get out.
Not on my side.
Cool.
Oh, you need your masking tape. I think what we did last time, we got these tough ones in, you pop them in first. Let's see that one.
Ahem. Thank you. Do it all. That's it.
The V-pillar does go in first. Hey bros, we're finishing up here. The camera died on us a little bit ago, so we didn't want that to stop us from working. But we got the whole interior assembled. Brandon's putting in the back lap belt right now. I'm popping in these rocker panel covers. Alright, last screw there. Shout out Tyler Miracle in Texas. Being a realtor. Gonna sell some big time real estate. Like industrial real estate.
There you go.
So Tyler, if you're watching, like.
He probably already has, honestly. He'll be liking and watching as soon as it's online.
You know.
Stalker.
So there you go, bro. That was pretty cool. Brandon's getting the driver's side rocker installed. And then I think we're about finished up. Go. Say goals. So, okay guys, that was a lot of fun hanging out today. I mean, we got the 4Runner reassembled after doing the sound deadening stuff yesterday. The lizard skin, hashtag lizard skin. So what we're gonna go ahead and do next tomorrow is go ahead and start a set of rock sliders for it. So we have those for some good lift points when we put the front 3-link on. So that's gonna be fun. So please like and subscribe. Check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook.com/cougarhousegarage.com and check out our Instagram. We'll catch you guys next time.
Later.
Peace.
See on your chair, I'm gonna kick him in the head. He pisses me off.